hope you've been well. So it's been a while since I've posted a video on my YouTube channel, but I thought it would be fun to share some home decorating content in partnership with my friends at Fred Meyer here on my channel. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you may know my love for Fred Meyer. They're a local grocery store, but they're more than just a grocery store. They have everything. Furniture, home decor, they have like outdoor things, gardening, everything you can imagine. They have clothes, shoes, all sorts of stuff. They have a huge beauty selection. I mean, honestly, I could go on forever about all the things that you can buy there. It's basically a one-stop shop that I've been shopping at since I was a little girl. I remember my parents shopping there. It's just like one of those things that if you're from the Pacific Northwest, then you probably have a memory at Fred Meyer or maybe QFC. But either way, I wanted to share with you today that Fred Meyer is now available to shop online. Yay! I'm so excited. Not only is it more convenient for me if I want to buy some home decor furniture and have it delivered to my house, but it's also really convenient for all of my readers who don't necessarily live in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, or Alaska, who are interested in some of the things that I share from time to time. So I am super excited to share this with you guys. And first I'm going to show you how to shop from Fred Meyer direct, and spoiler alert, I have been shopping there already, and the boxes that are at my feet are actually my order that I want to share with you. So why don't we hop into the how to shop the Fred Meyer direct website first, and then I'll be back and I'll share some of my goodies with you. So first up, we're going to go to the Fred Meyer direct website, which you can find at direct.fredmeyer.com. On the main page, you'll see a variety of easy shopping options, and I'm clicking on the Home Solutions tab because that's what I'm most interested in shopping for. So it drops you on the furniture and decor site, which I think is really fun, and immediately my eye is drawn to this pillow, which is so cute. I love the tassels and I love the colors. I think it's going to be perfect in our living room. From there, I'm going back to the previous page so I can continue on my shopping adventure, and here is where I see this cute little canvas cube. You'll see later that I actually ended up buying this in a different animal. Next up is a nice basket that I know will be perfect for our living room. Keeping things organized is always a priority for me. Then you can keep shopping from here. I love that there's a bunch of filters and options on the sidebar to make shopping even easier. So I knew I wanted some rugs, so I love the Novogratz brand and was able to filter by the brand I was looking for. I found a cool retro one, so I'm going to go check this out and then probably add this to my cart also for later viewing. As you're shopping and adding things to your cart, don't forget to apply coupon codes. Right now, Fred Meyer has a promotion to save 15% off your order and get free shipping on any purchase with the code FALL15. I entered that, and now you can see the savings reflected in my cart. Before making my final purchase, I'm sure to always check other categories. The Storage and Organization tab is one that I definitely want to check out, as well as Kitchen and Dining. You never know what you might find. The last way I like to shop is by using the search bar, and here's my search for pumpkin. After not really finding anything I need right now, I decided to check out, which is really easy if you already have a Fred Meyer account, and if you don't, you can create one now too. And with that, I wish you a happy shopping adventure on Fred Meyer Direct. Okay, so I hope you found those shopping tips helpful. I thought I would share with you now all of the goodies that I found on Fred Meyer Direct. So first up, I'll tell you the premise of what I was shopping for. I really wanted to give our living room a little bit of a boost. We've had these throw pillows and some of the accessories in this room pretty much here since we moved in, and I thought it was time to maybe do a little spruce, a little remodel, if you will, of our living room to kind of update it for fall. And so I was looking for things that I either hadn't already purchased, or I was looking for things that might be a little bit easier to use than what we already have. So that said, the first item is something that is so cute and so kind of strange if you don't know much about me, but Rigby is my Shiba Inu. He looks like a fox, which is why I had to get this little collapsible canvas bin for all of his dog toys. They're always littering our living room because whenever we have people over, he does this thing I call the toy parade, where he runs to his toy box, he pulls out a toy, then he runs back, pulls out another one. Anyway, you get my drift. He does that for a while until he pulls out toys all over the place, and then at the end, I'm left cleaning them up. So why not get a cute little canvas bin to put them in? So that is what this is for. The other thing that is a great storage solution, but it looks really nice, is basket bins. The thing I liked about this one is I could easily put it on a shelf and then you can pull it out, or it looks nice on its own filled with whatever you need. Another practical purchase are table lamps, and I loved this one because it was relatively inexpensive. I think it was just $20. Comes with the shade and base, and I think it'll be perfect for a reading light. We have another table similar to the one that's next to this couch on the other side, and I think I'm going to move it over there. Okay, doing a little shuffling around to show you a few of the final items that I got. So I think an easy way to update your decor in any room is with a nice throw pillow. And what I love about throw pillows, if you get them in neutral shades, you can kind of move them around the house, and so it gives each room a little refresh. So I bought this with the idea of putting it on, we have a kind of brick red sofa chair, and I thought this would be a really nice neutral touch for that little spot over there in our back corner. And I also got two more. These are the same, so I'll just show you the one. So this is a fringe pillow. It has kind of a mustard tan colored accent color, and I thought it would be really nice on our couch just because that is a nice color pop. I think it brings out kind of more of the yellow tones with the contrast of the green. So anyway, that is the throw pillows that I picked up. But the nice thing about these is they would go kind of in any room in our house. So I was thinking if I decided I got tired of them in our living room, I could move them to our guest bedroom, or I could move them downstairs to our basement on that couch. All right, the final purchase I made that I'm going to show you today, there is one more item, but it's a little bit big to show you on camera, so I thought I would save that for my big block reveal where you can see it in more detail. But for now, I'm going to show you this last guy. This is a geometric little accent. I use these on tables. I love them, but the only problem is I feel like I get kind of bored of them after a little while, so then I do the same thing with pillows. I move them room to room to kind of give each room a different look. So right now I have kind of one of those mid-century starburst looking things, but when I saw this one, and I also have one more that's a little bit bigger that is on its way but didn't quite make it in time to film, is to put these on tables just as a fun accent. I think they add a lot of interest to a room, and I also like stacking them on top of books. So you can stack books or magazines on a table and then throw one of these guys on top, and I think it just adds a lot of interest and character to a room. The other thing, I was at a very expensive furniture store recently and saw that they had something super similar to this, so it's also a designer dupe, which is really fun. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my little return to YouTube. I hope to actually come back with more lifestyle and home things. If you guys are interested in that, please let me know down below. I'd love to share our home with you. And for now, I encourage you to go check out my blog post with the full living room reveal with all of this new stuff in there, just in time for fall. I hope this gives you a little bit of fall inspo for your own home. Be sure to check out Fred Meyer Direct as well down below if you're interested, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!